Hello everybody. Thought I'd make a video here of all the pollinators that are enjoying the gooseberry blossoms today. Here he goes. Huge bumblebees all over them. And let's see, here's another big plant. There he is. Here, honeybee. There's honeybees on them too. Wasps down in here. They're just moving so fast, they're hard to catch. There's a hummingbird moth. If I can get him over here. Sorry, moving the camera so much, but these guys are moving fast. There he is. Alright, well this is a Pixwell variety gooseberry. I've got two planted here. I moved out of the garden last year, and they really took off and just outdid themselves blooming this year. And they make a black gooseberry about the size of a pea. And there's a honeybee. But anyway, the flowers, growth habit, fruit, everything is exactly like the wild Ribes missourians that grows here. So either this is not a Pixwell, or the Pixwell is a selection from the Ribes missourians, I believe. Because I have the Ribes missourians here too. And they're very similar, but the wild strain has more flavor, actually more vigor too. And I think a little bigger of a gooseberry. But anyway, this plant here, the Hinnomaki yellow, I bought this year. And it was kind of small, so I thought I'd put it in a pot for the first year, get it a little bigger. But it's got a lot of blooms on it for a small plant. They're yellow gooseberries. This is Ribes uva crispa. This is a European gooseberry from Finland, I believe. And a lot of blooms for a small plant. It's supposed to have an apricot type flavor with a gooseberry. So sounds really good. I love gooseberries. I love apricots. So we'll see how that goes. But you can see the uva crispa flowers are a lot different than the American flowers. Here's a branch from the Pixwell. So a lot different. Anyway, I love gooseberries. I have a lot of varieties that I'm testing out to see, because I live on the very southern edge of, where it's almost too hot for gooseberries and too humid in the summer. So trying a lot of varieties. Anyway, just wanted to share this today. The plant behind me is the one buzzing now with the pollinators. Thanks for watching.